Welcome to this beginner's guide to stock investing. In this video, we will introduce you to one of the most popular technical analysis tools, 5 EMA techniques. If you are new to investing, this video is perfect for you. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. It's a popular tool used to analyze stock trends over a certain period by smoothing out fluctuating data. It's calculated by combining a stock's price and a weighting factor that gives more importance to recent prices. This results in quicker responsiveness to changes in trends. There are 5 different EMA techniques that are commonly used in stock investing, and we'll explain each one. These techniques are used to identify trends, entry and exit points, and potential market reversals. By learning these techniques, you'll have a better understanding of how to make informed investment decisions. The single EMA technique is used to identify trends in a stock's price movement. By using a single EMA line, we can determine the overall trend of a stock's performance and help us make better investment decisions. The double EMA technique is used to identify possible entry and exit points. By using 2 EMA lines, we're able to see how a stock's momentum is changing and whether it's a good time to buy or sell. The triple EMA technique is used to help identify changing trends in the stock market. By using 3 EMA lines, we can see how the market is evolving, when it's changing direction and when it may be time to exit or enter. The EMA crossover technique is used to identify potential market reversals. This technique uses 2 EMA lines of different periods to spot when the short-term trend is about to make a turnaround, usually indicating a buying opportunity or a selling strategy. The EMA channel technique is used to determine the minimum and maximum price ranges a stock follows over a period. This technique helps traders decide and to enter a trade and set profit targets and stop-loss orders. By understanding and using these 5 EMA techniques, a beginner investor can gain a new perspective and make informed decisions while trading stocks. Implementing these techniques takes time and experience, but with the right tools and knowledge, investing can become a profitable venture for anyone.